Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover index. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover create or drop index. We can create index using create index name on table, column list within parenthesis, and drop index using drop index name. In the next program, I am going to cover index type based on parameter. Based on parameter, index is categorized as simple index, that is index created on single column; composite index, that is index created on multiple columns; and function-based index, that is index created using functions. In the next program, I am going to cover index type based on uniqueness. Based on uniqueness, index is categorized as unique index, that is index created using unique keyword; and non-unique index, that is index created without choosing unique keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover B-tree and bitmap index. By default, index will be created as B-tree if bitmap keyword is not used. We can create bitmap index using bitmap keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover invisible index. By default, we will not be allowed to create different index on same column. Still, we can create index by making the index as invisible using invisible keyword. Only one index must be visible at a time if different index is created on same column. Alternatively, we can use alter index name, invisible or visible, to change visibility of index. In the next program, I am going to cover cluster index. We can create cluster using create cluster name, column data type. Create index on cluster using create index name on cluster name. We can create tables with cluster using cluster name column in create table query. We can drop cluster index using drop index name. We need to drop cluster tables using drop table name before dropping clusters. We can drop cluster using drop cluster name. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.